everyone, Kellyshaffner here. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you showed up today to see what is inside my latest ThredUp Rescue Box. This is a mystery box. This one is filled with denim. Yeah, I only ordered 15 pounds of denim. They also offer a 30-pound denim box, but I thought, you know what, I'll just stick with 15 because, to be honest with you, denim is not my favorite thing to photograph for my Poshmark closet, but I was really curious to try this rescue. It could be anything denim. It could be men's, it could be children's, women's, it could be shorts or jackets, skirts, pants. That's kind of what I'm expecting the most of. I've seen a lot of these ThredUp denim unboxings. Some of them are pretty good. Some of them, in my estimation, are terrible. I do not sell children's clothing, and it seems like there's always children's denim included in these boxes. So if there is, I may end up selling children's denim on Poshmark. So hey, if you're new to my channel, I would like to welcome you. I unbox women's clothing, and today, who knows what I'll be unboxing, but if you enjoy those types of videos, please be sure and subscribe. Join me for another video. Lately, I have been stocking my Poshmark closet with all sorts of mystery boxes, but I do plan on filming my latest thrift haul because many of you asked to see that, and I'm so excited to share that with you. I am really enjoying thrifting, and I am loving all things Poshmark. Stay tuned for more videos around that topic. Let's get into this box, and I'll talk to you about the price. This one, let me see what it looks like. This one is real inexpensive. And I did have some credits. Thank you very much to everyone that has used my ThredUp links. You guys make these boxes very affordable for me. I really appreciate it. Okay. This box came from Phoenix, which is the closest distribution center to me. And I'm surprised that I don't get more boxes from Phoenix. This is actually the first box I've received from Phoenix. And I do not see an invoice here, but I will leave it on the screen what I paid for this box, what the price of this box is, and I see it looks like a lot of denim. Okay, let's get started. This one looks little. This is, this is AG. Oh my goodness, but this is too little for me. Of course, I'm always looking for myself. These are a 27 regular. These are AG denim. Holy smokes. Oh my goodness. Okay, these are awesome. These are a skinny leg, and it is a small size, but let's see what it's about a medium wash too. So this is what it looks like. And wow, these look great. These are in fabulous shape. If you follow my channel, you know that I just bought my first pair of AG. Full retail price at almost $200 earlier this year. And what do you know? I received some in my ThredUp box. Okay, next pair. Let's see. These are a really light wash. Holy cow, look at that. Can you see that? Rag and bone. Size 32. These are a really light wash denim. Let's see if they have a little bit of stretch in them, but the wash on these is really light. I cannot believe that I got rag and bone in this box. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so awesome. I should have opened this the day I got it. I really wanted to film it and share it with you. Let's see. These look awesome. Okay, this is the back of them, and they are skinny. These look great. I like everything about these except the really light wash. Amazing. So amazing. What is next? What is next? Let's see. These 7 for all mankind. Holy cow. Holy cow. What size? These are, I don't see a size. Where are they? Guys, I don't see the size. Oh, it looks like these are a 27. Yeah, these are a smaller size. These look great. Really good. Okay, I'm trying to see if these are Let me button them up because it looks like everything that I am receiving is a higher, it's a medium to a high rise. So that's really nice. Again, a skinny. These are in a medium wash. They have a little bit of whiskering. They look amazing. Oh, wow. This is great. This is so great. Next, we have Pac Sun, and these are active stretch, size 32, 34. So, wow. That leads me to believe these might be men's. I don't know. I'm going to have to look into that. I don't know. What do you think? I mean, they kind of look like women's. Maybe they're unisex. I really don't know. 32, 34. I'm guessing this is a men's denim. This is what the pockets look like. And they look like they're in really, really good shape. So I haven't shopped in Pac Sun since my boys left home. Okay, the next denim. Now this is funky. This is One Green Elephant. One Green Elephant. I am not familiar with this brand, but this is a real blue dye. You see that? So this is not, and then I don't know, look at the, I don't know if that is a flaw. And the knees, are the knees a little baggy there? I don't know. I'm going to have to do a little research on these. These are a size US 4. And look at, okay, so you can see that dye job. These are different. And I will wash everything that I received in this box. And these will have to be washed all by themselves because it looks like these are almost like new. Yeah, I don't want that color to transfer onto anything else. Okay, so far so good. These are Victoria Skinny Cigarette, size 26, True Religion. Can you see that? These are the Victoria jean. They do have an American flag inside, and these look small, size 26, black denim. Little distressing on the pocket, but I don't know, is that intentional? I think it is because you can see on the front pockets there's a little bit of distressing. Sorry, I know that is blowing everything out. Again, a skinny contemporary style. These look like they're about a mid-rise. Let's see, any stretch in them? They're stretchy. This is an amazing box. Amazing box. Okay, who are you? This is what the waistband looks like. So easy to tell the size 27. This is just a blank tag, Ernest Sewn. Okay, again, this is a brand I'm not familiar with. Ernest Sewn, right? Harlan, $4.95. I don't know. By the Ernest Design Team. Okay, this looks interesting, and I really am looking forward to finding out more about this brand. And so size 27, let's see what the rise looks like. What does it say there? Ernest Sewn. That's the name of the brand, I guess, because that's what the button says. So that looks like a mid-rise, and this is a straight leg, or it's a skinny, but it's not a super skinny. Let's see, stretchy at all? No, not a whole lot of stretch. I don't know. Okay, this is one I'm excited to learn about. We got some booty shorts. These American Eagle Outfitters, some booty shorts. Look how precious these are. These have a little pink eyelet pocket sticking out, and these are teeny tiny, super stretch. What size do we have? A size 2. Oh my goodness. Those are so adorable for a teeny tiny lady. And okay. The legging ankle, another pair of AGs. No way. Oh my gosh, what size? 27. Okay, they're not my size. This is an awesome box. So this is the legging ankle, super skinny ankle, AG. Let me see, what is it? It looks like a medium rise. And yeah, it's super soft fabric. We might have a little bagging in the knees there. I don't know. Super skinny. This is what the pockets look like. This is really an amazing box. I really like these denim. Okay, it can't stay this good. Jones, New York, size 12. Okay. And these are kind of a charcoal gray. They're like a washed black. And these are more of a straight skinny. And they're very plain. They do look like they're a high rise. They are 5 pocket. No. These are a jegging. These are only a back pocket, faux pockets. And the coin pocket does work. Size 12 is a great size though. I'm happy to have these in my closet. These look black as well. Another charcoal looking color. And these are Ann Taylor. Do we have a size? Oh, we do have a size. These are 14, the skinny curvy fit. So that's nice. Again, these are like the same color as the Jones, New York. And there's a hair, and it's not mine. So these are actually a denim though, but they do have stretch. Can you see the stretch in these? Awesome. That's what they look like. Again, these are a skinny, but they do look a little bit wider than a super skinny. These are in great shape as well. Really nice. There's more. I'm telling you, I think there's more than 15 pounds in here. Okay, again, these are another like dark wash, almost black, really dark wash. And these are 21 men slim. These are 30 by 30. So this is Forever 21's men's line. And they are these. Do they have stretch in them? I don't think they have stretch. They feel like 100% cotton. They do have some whiskering there and some fading through the front, down the thigh. This is what the pockets look like. I do have some pieces in my men's closet, so I'll be adding these. These are in great shape. They don't look like they've ever been worn. Yeah, they look brand new. What is this? These are Levi Strauss. And this looks like another men's piece. And ThredUp does not accept men's clothing. So that is probably why I got this. These are a 33 by 32, and these are the 520 taper, 100% cotton, so there's not going to have any stretch in them. This is what they look like. Yeah, these look great too. In really, really good shape. So, Levi's. Putting these in my men's closet. I am so happy. Okay, I've got one more piece. This one is new with tags. This is Quicksilver. And the MSRP on this one is $38, and it is a size 24. This is a skirt. Oh, no. This is shorts. They're teeny. Size 24, size 8. These have got to be children's, right? Children's Bermudas. And you can see there, they were clearanced for $12.99. I think these are kids. That's my guess. Quicksilver. Kids. Denim. Really cute. I do have a kids closet now on Poshmark. I have one more piece in this box. Gap, 1969, and these are an 18. So, yay, I did get some plus size. Oh, these are funky. Let me button them up and show these to you. So these are a medium wash, and we do have a wide leg. So that is so on trend right now. And this is a great wash. Let's see. What do they look like? Look pretty good. Little bit of wear, I think, in the thighs. Yeah, you can see that. Let me see if I can show you that we have a little bit of wear on the thighs. It's not bad, though. Not bad at all. And some whiskering in the front. And this is what the pocket looks like. And 1969 is a great brand of Gap jeans. Everyone knows what 1969 feels like, how it wears. So yeah, I'm happy to add some more 1969. I had some in my closet. It did sell. So it's a good seller for me. I am really happy with this box. I'm really happy to be able to add the AG denim and the 7 for All Mankind. And also there's a couple brands in there that I'm not familiar with, but they look like great denim. So I am excited to look them up. I'm just gonna end up with a large men's closet, I think, because I keep getting a few men's pieces here and there and I add them to my closet, and yes, I will start my children's closet. It will have one pair of Quicksilver denim in it. I will leave the price I paid for this box on the screen right here because this box did not have an invoice with it. I don't know. That's one thing I can say. ThredUp Rescue Boxes are not always consistent. This is the first box that I have received from Phoenix, so yeah, maybe they don't put invoices in it. I will also put the cost per piece. I received 15 pieces and the cost per piece is right here. I don't know what it is, so I'll put it right here after I do the math. So, and speaking of consistency, the box below this denim box is also a ThredUp box. It's gigantic. I did order another handbag box and it came today and it has no polka dots on it. So there is some polka dot tissue paper taped. I'll show you the box in my next video. Make sure that you're subscribed so you can see what I get in this handbag box. I'm real excited to open that one as well. Stay tuned for that. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you have any information about the mystery denim that I received, the mystery denim that I don't know what it is, please leave it in the comments below. Help a girl out. I really appreciate it. And on that note, I do want to give a great big shout out. We have a lot of new viewers on this channel and I'm so excited about that. Thank you all everyone that's new, and to my tried and true viewers, thank you. I know my content is changing and that's because my interests are changing. So thank you to everyone that sticks around, but even bigger than that, I have to give a great big shout out to all of you that have been helpful, that have offered your advice and your tips and tricks about the clothing that I am receiving and also about selling on Poshmark. And nobody's offered any advice on buying. I am handling the buying on Poshmark just fine. I'm really enjoying both buying and selling on Poshmark. So thank you so much for sticking around to the very end. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I will see you very, very soon opening this gigantic box of handbags. I'll see you in the next one. Blessings.